Welcome at Lowlands Assessment Systems. I am Sjoerd and this is a short introduction to John Holland's theory of occupational interests. John Holland's theory can be summarized in 4 sentences. When it comes to interests, there are 6 kinds of people and 6 parallel kinds of work environments. Real people and real work settings are always a mix of those 6 areas of interest. People are driven to find fitting environments. In other words, in time, individuals and work environments show the tendency to attract and select each other. A fitting work environment leads to job satisfaction and better performance. Both in practice and research, it has been shown time and again that people who enjoy their work have better performance, are sick less often, and they are more pleasant to deal with, both to their colleagues and to their friends and family. So, interests have quite an impact on people's lives. In the original theory, John Holland talks about 6 types. Today we prefer to talk about domains. In the beginning, these were the 6 labels Holland came up with. Motoric. In this domain you will find physically active people, often athletic, agile and strong. People who cannot and will not sit still. Intellectual people, researchers, thinkers. People who ask a lot of questions and always seem to want to know more. Aesthetic refers to artistic and creative interests. Supportive is the interest in helping others, being nice, wanting to be liked, doing things together with others. Persuasive, the realm of the forceful and independent people. And last but not least, conforming. Relatively quickly, the naming of the 6 areas changed to the terminology we still use today. Realistic, investigative, artistic, social, enterprising and conventional. The 6 domains are composed of a total of 16 components. Let's list them real quick. And of course, if you want to know more, for each domain we have created several tutorials describing the components in detail, including practical examples. The realistic domain is composed of a physically active component, playing sports, working with your hands, using muscle power. A green component, plants, animals, nature, being outdoors. And an engineering component that focuses on the visible, tangible forms of technology, the big stuff. In the investigative domain, we also encounter technology in the form of STEM subjects and IT, computers and information technology. And the third component is purely intellectual, using your brain. In artistic, one component has a focus on art as an end in itself, and the other component focuses on applied art and everyday creativity. In the social domain, we distinguish between a more caring and a more educational, business-like perspective. Enterprising is a special domain with 4 components. All of them have to do with asserting oneself. Being a leader, wanting to take managerial responsibility. Affinity with arranging, organizing, putting things in motion. Wanting to achieve goals and results and commercial targets. And an affinity with politics, authority and power. The last domain is conventional, with a component that refers to a penchant for structure and a component that is primarily financial. And that brings us to the end of this video. We hope that you're a little bit wiser. We hope you have fun applying the theory of John Holland. And of course, we hope to see you at the next video.